Hey YouTube, it's been a long time coming, but I've been looking every single day for a bench seat set for my 2015 Cadillac Escalade. I finally found one that was not $5,000. There's a seller on eBay who sells them for like $5,000. I got this one for 900 bucks. Came from New York. The guy was awesome. Used, I don't care. I have been looking for these, and I finally found them. They match the Escalade suede, and they're powered and power folding and heated. So good to go. It should be a plug and play install. I'm gonna get the car backed in here and let's get going. If not, just leave it on the tripod on the ground. This cover should just pop off, right? Alright. Pops off. So from here, there should be bolts. And the carpet. Oh wow, this goes deep in there. I think I need to lift this carpet up. Yeah, I do. Okay, so this one has to come out too. Okay. So what needs to happen this one has to come out too. Oh, no. Alright. That. Okay, this last one I can't get to. I need to get a. I feel like that going across two wheels.
Wait, how are we gonna lift this up?
Hold on, here. Watch out.
Oh, baby, don't scrape your finger. Oh, careful! Don't drop it on your toes.
It's really sharp.
Yeah. Maybe you should put on gloves.
No.
I'm glad we decided to.
I guess I could.
Could what?
I could have taken it off though. Can you pull that? Damn it.
I can do it. Looks like that was easier. Cramping out.
Oh shit. Okay. No, not too much. Your hand okay? Okay, that's it. Let's just rest it in there and push it the rest of the way.
Okay. Okay, but be careful because there's that stuff up there. You know? Here, look up there.
What stuff? There's no stuff.
Okay. Hold on. Yeah.
We got it. Easy, easy. It's sharp.
Oh.
Easy, easy. Watch your hand. Watch your hand. Watch your hand.
Okay, I have to lift here because there's this thing. Okay.
Okay, watch your hand. Don't grab anything.
Okay.
Watch your. Move your leg.
Hold on. I have to help you get it in there. But
Okay, let's just lay it down first. What is that little thing? Oh, there we go. Okay. So now, okay, let's just teeter-totter it up. Okay. I got it.
oh,
What's wrong?
look.
Oh shit.
Wow. Well, when you say your vows on
Let me see.
Saturday, ow!
Oh,
I hope you take it as a mark of love.
jeez Louise. Look, wash that off really quick.
Check it out. YouTube.
All right, so this is the final product, installed product. Oh, my dog's gonna jump in there. The mats, you just have to cut the mats, and on the there's a template on the bottom of the mats that you cut to fit them if you have the all-weather mat option. But yeah, I think the trick is to find these used offline. Check eBay every day. I was able to snag one for 900 bucks. There's another seller that has a stock of them. He's asking 5,200 for these. These are the power and folding seats. They do have the suede insert there just to match the Escalade. I'm sure you can find a bunch of Tahoe LTZ ones available that would fit in here, but they will not match the leather and the suede insert. So, but you can always holster the seat yourself. It's up to you. But yeah, great for the dogs, great for the kids. I don't know why they didn't make more of these Escalades with these bench seats producing them. Thanks, guys. Out.